I'm going to brief you about BSL-3 lab. It's a container based, positioned under track trolley. So it can be moved from one place to another place. And this is constructed for AIPH, Asian Institute of Public Health. This Bhubaneswar, we are going to supply this BSL-3 laboratory to their virus research and diagnostic purpose. So here provided access control. Through this access control card reader, you can enter into this lab. So this is airlock area. So this airlock area is provided so maintaining the atmospheric air. So we can keep our shoes here and remove the shoes and keep it in there and entering into this airlock room. So that airlock room again having that door interlocking system. One we can enter by pressing the door interlocking. In the change room, there are two garment cubicles. So one is for the street garments, and the street garments will keep it here. And after keeping the street garment, we'll collect the clean garments. It is in HEPA filtered storage. In the clean garment, after weaving the clean garments and entering into this lab area. So here again it is an interlocking, door interlocking system is there. In the door interlocking system we can enter through this ante room. So here is the ante room. It is a bifurcating between the lab and this change room. Now we are entering into BSL-3 lab. So these two doors are interlocked. So the interlock will be open and entering into BSL-3 lab. This is BSL-3 lab. So having BSL-3 lab equipment, biosafety cabinets, two numbers, one class A2, B2 and another one class A2, class 2 A2. So these two biosafety cabinets will be used for the virus diagnosis and further research. And this is the table as provided for this lab equipment. So PCR machines, centrifuges and the other research equipment will be keep it on this table. And this storage cabinets, all these consumables will be used, keep it stored in this cabinet. The dynamic pass box. The samples are coming from outside. The samples, this is again this dynamic pass box is interlocked and the door will open. The samples will put it from the outside and sample will collect from the scientist here and put it for the further process. And this is the place for refrigerator, minus 20 deep freezer, minus 40 or minus 80 deep freezers. So this is the place, and that all power connections, everything is provided for those equipment. So here it is in a dunk tank. So all this surface disinfection will be taken care here. All the used utensils, whatever the instruments, lab instruments will be, keep it here and put it in this solution and collect it from the other side. And this is the place for a double door autoclave. So the double door autoclave will be positioned here, and the other side the material, that scrap disinfected material will be collected from the back side. So this is the main lab, and all these lab benches has provided with these shelves and all their storages of the documents and everything will be keep it inside. So, and this is the sink. This is a hands free, so you can use it without touching that, and water can be used here. We have provided cable management system, so we'll power sockets, LAN, telephone, everything, all control systems we have provided here. Behind this, all services like HVAC, electrical control panels and all we have installed. The HVAC duct is running here, and all the supply air through HEPA filter is supplying to this cabin. So basically the main lab and the change rooms and airlock areas. Exhaust air has taken care through this biosafety cabinets, and that is exhaust air duct, and it is going back to that exhaust fan, and through HEPA filter and heater and UV light it is exhausting out. And when it is biosafety cabinets is taken care for some quantity of air exhaust, the balance air is taken care through this return air provision, and this total exhaust is balancing by that exhaust fan by providing the variable frequency drive in the exhaust fan. Provided to the lab, and temperature and humidity sensors and controlling the temperature and humidity of the supply air, and fire detection system, and sufficient light also has installed the lab. Into the lab we enter through this entrance door, and after completing that research work, the exit door is here. Then a person should exit through this door. Again, garment cubicle. While entry, I explained to you. So the street garments will keep it in this. Then this is having the two-way access. Inside and other side also having the door. The street garment will keep it inside. This is a shower. And the shower, after completing that research work, they will have the shower here and leave that garments here. So we'll remove all those clothes and collect the street clothes. So left it in the other side from here and wear that street clothes and exit through this door. So we entering again into this airlock room. And the first collect the street shoes here and exit outside. Service area. It is all the lab supporting equipment like HVAC, electrical and all other controls is installed here. I will brief you about the functionality of this lab equipment. And here also we have provided access control. The coordinator access control will use it entering into the lab. This is a supply air handling unit. So it has collecting the fresh air and the HEPA filter, the blow air, and the supplier is supplying to that lab. Is coming from the lab, exhaust air through this biosafety cabinet and the return air chase, both collected, and here it is the safe change HEPA. HEPA will change safely, and then exhaust fan is provided. So exhaust fan again having standby exhaust fans with VFD controls. So this all equipment is controlling through this electrical panel. The lighting control, the lighting DB and power DBs, and the CCTV control panel, access control panel, and the BMS control panel has been provided here. And the samples are coming from outside. And samples from outside, this is again door interlocking system, and has opened the door and keep the samples here and close the door, and the scientist will collect the samples from other side for the further processing. This is the dump tank, and this is using for the surface disinfection, and the same location the double door autoclave will install, and the double door autoclave will use it for the total disinfection of the material, instruments used in the lab. We have a hand wash and then shower also. So this, all that water will come and collect in this tank. In this, all the tank collected water will be disinfected and after proper disinfection it will be terminated outside to the dry. We have developed, this is the fourth container lab. We have developed four containers so far for BSL-2 and BSL-3 applications. So the functionality is similar, a little difference with the change procedures in the BSL-2 and BSL-3.